Most people get this wrong when trying to sell gift cards. They rush into the first website they find and end up losing money or getting delayed payments. Here's the truth no one tells you. Selling gift cards instantly is possible, but only if you understand where value is lost and how these platforms actually work behind the scenes. In this video, you will learn how to sell gift cards for cash instantly in 2026, which platforms are safest, how to avoid scams, and how to get the highest payout without waiting days for approval. If you've ever had a gift card sitting unused, this will help you turn it into real cash quickly and safely. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to understand is that not all gift cards have the same value. A Walmart or Amazon gift card usually sells faster than smaller store cards. Platforms like CardCash, Raise, and similar marketplaces buy these cards, but they don't all pay the same rate. For example, a $100 Amazon card might sell for $85 to $92, depending on demand. But here's the problem: instant payout often comes with a slightly lower rate. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you want truly instant cash, you usually have three main options. First, peer-to-peer selling, where you sell directly to another user through trusted marketplaces. Second, instant buy websites that verify and pay within minutes. Third, certain payment apps that accept gift card redemption through partner systems. Let's break it down. If you use a marketplace like Raise, you list your card and wait for a buyer. This is safer but not always instant. If you need speed, platforms like CardCash or similar services often give instant offers after verification. For example, Jake uploads a $50 Target gift card, gets an offer in under 5 minutes, and cash is sent via PayPal or bank transfer. But here's the biggest mistake people make. They enter incorrect card details or use untrusted sites that look legitimate but are fake. Always double-check the website URL, reviews, and payout method before submitting anything. Now, if you want the fastest method, here's a simple step-by-step process. First, check your card balance. Second, choose a verified instant buy platform. Third, enter your card details carefully. Fourth, accept the best available offer. Finally, choose PayPal or direct deposit for the fastest payout. In a minute, I'll show you how to increase your payout value so you don't lose money when selling. One key trick is timing. Gift cards sell for more during holidays or high-demand seasons. Another trick is choosing popular retailers instead of niche stores. Amazon, Apple, and Walmart cards almost always get better rates. So to wrap it up, selling gift cards instantly in 2026 is possible if you use trusted platforms, avoid scams, and understand how pricing works. The goal is not just speed, but also protecting your value. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more simple guides that help you turn digital value into real cash safely and quickly.